Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this video is for sixth grade. Today, we are going to have reading class, listening class. We're going to start a new unit. So we're going to study unit 10. It is going to be about my friends. So today we're going to have reading class. We're going to study page 114 and 115. Okay, so keep in mind that. So, according to this, what you need to understand is first to discover the friendship. I mean, how many friends do you have? Do you have friends? And what kind of friends do you have? For example, your friends are from the school, from your neighborhood, from your family. So you need to know about it. Friends are very important in this life. So be careful with that. Okay? So let's go to unit 10. All right? So today we're going to study 114 and then let's go. Let's check it out this. Let's have this. So last class, we were talking about grammar class. We were talking about can, the auxiliary can, when you have the ability. Of course, after that, we're going to have the project. Here is the project, but we're not going to study because we don't have enough time to um, to create the project. This project basically is writing and but that's not what we are gonna do. So this is what we need to study today. This is the class. What is it? What it talks about? Remember, something very important. It's as I told you, Unit 10. It's about friends. So question is very important to have friends. Friends, your classmates, some of you are your best friends. So what is the value? Togetherness. I mean, a friends, a team, a group of friends. To go fast, to go alone, to go far, go together. So, in other words, if you have friends, everything is possible. Of course, your friends, they are some excellent friends. And they aren't, or there are some friends not excellent. There aren't some good friends. So few friends, but in general, friends are excellent. Because when you have friends, you have like another family. All right? So thinking that friends friends are very important in the life. All right. So look at this. Working pairs, Mark, why friends are important to you. So in your case, you need to take here, for example, I'm gonna take here. They help me with the problems. For example, my friends, they help me. So I take here. We learn new things. Yes, it's possible. It's possible to learn new things. Why not? Yes. And we have a good time. Spectacular. Yes, I think to have good times with your friends. When you have an excellent friends, you can go wherever you want. I mean, you can go to nice places. You can have fun. You can go to the parties. You can study. Friends, good friends, study a lot. Okay, right. So this is our reading class. Remember, there are three activities that you're gonna do. Activity number one, remember, it's very important. You circle the words that you don't understand. So, for example, welcome. I don't understand welcome, so I'm going to circle the word welcome. Okay, so activity one, vocabulary, words that you don't understand. You're gonna give a circle or you're gonna underline. For example, I don't understand find, about, hour, timetables, timetables, um, take, profile, on, right? Bulletin board. I don't understand what it means. This. What's this? I don't know. Wanted. Bass. I don't know what it means. Bass. Bass. Drums. What is that? So activity one, circle the words that you don't understand. All right. Good. Activity two. Remember. Um, You are right. You need to look at the dictionary, the words that you don't understand from this page. Activity two is listen and read mentally. Okay, so I'm gonna read for you, and perhaps you can understand better the pronunciation. For example, let's read. Home. Welcome to the camp intranet. Here you can find information about our camp events and timetables and links to the different classes you take. You can also pause a personal profile and write your own log home. Okay? Bulletin board. Musicians wanted. Can you play the bass or drums? My name is Sam and I'm in the music program. I can play the guitar and I have a project. I want to form a rock group. Contact me after lunch if you are interested. Camper profiles. Hi, I'm Amanda and I'm in dance program TG. My parents are Mexican, but I'm from the US. My favorite school subjects are English and history. My hobbies are playing tennis and listening to music. I don't like writing, but I love reading. My favorite actor is George R. Martin. He's great. Tips. Remember, think before you post. The internet is very public. If you post a comment or a photo or a video, it says online even after delete it. Be polite. Don't send insulting messages or use abuse language. Don't give personal information, your address, your phone number, or email address, etc. Use numbers and symbols in your passwords. If someone bullies you, tell a staff member of your parents. I'm done and I'm in the sport program. So, according to this reading, what you need to know is first to understand and notice this in general, they are looking for friends. And when you discover your friends, I mean, likes something that your friends likes, it's better. For example, you like soccer, so you find friends who likes to play soccer. If you can play music, you find friends with music and so on. So activity two is read and listen mentally like audiobook. Okay. All right. So according to this, we are going to the next page. You see, next page, 115. This is 115, and we are going to complete this. So this, in general, this it's an idea, a suggestion how to understand better what are you reading. Scanning, it means like a resume. It's like a understand when you are reading, just scanning something very quickly. I mean, look at the words, look at the title, and perhaps you can get it, or you can understand a general idea. That's more or less a scanning. Okay, so this is a suggestion for you to understand a better comprehension reading. When you read a test, think of the information you need to get. Concentrate on what is relevant for your purpose. So according to this idea, so what is important is that you look first, you look at the titles. You see Somerville Camp Intranet. So welcome. This is home, bulletin board, musician want to remember, and tips, Amanda, camper profiles, and so on. So with these names, you can have a general idea what is this reading talks about. So in general, it's giving to you information about teenagers, about friends, and about the importance of uh, to have friends, but also to be careful, especially in internet. Okay. So according to that, we're going to resolve but exercise one, exercise two, and exercise three. Right? So let's go. Working pairs say where you can find information about these topics. For example, your school timetables. Timetables, it means horario. So your school times where, for example, in the classroom with the teacher, your school events. Well, so perhaps your coordinator teacher, or perhaps there is an special board where you can see the events. See your classmates' interest. Okay, this in the classroom could be one option, or maybe clubs, for example, music clubs and so on. Look at the CAP Internet site and find the section where you can find the information. Ideas about to use Internet, how to use Internet. So according to that, so you go back and then answer these ideas. Here are a lot of ideas how to use properly internet. Okay,